Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today I would like to talk about a Bitcoin Cash. Probably we can hit our target. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Bitcoin dominance because it's really important for altcoins. We rejected at 50.75% and drop it down. So basically the altcoins, some small altcoins, isn't just a local, can start when we drop like this one and hit this one, 44%. So in this area, some altcoins can make easily double X or triple X, not some crazy gains like 10X, no. In this area, we can only form some pump, and after that, we can bring it back, reject it here and collapse it down. Most worst case scenario, I posted it's here 57%. So here in this area at under these lines are dynamics under 30%, even 35%, you have to close 100% of your altcoin positions, because that time will be totally free on the market. For Bitcoin, I would like to double check today only on the market smooth. So look, it's a weekly time frame. Bitcoin on the Binance futures. I market three main zones. So over every single week of this top, it's main stop losses. So like you can see, we sweep this liquidity. So this one is done. Next one is like a target. It's under here. Lowest point was 19K521. So worst case scenario for Bitcoin, we can see something like this one, and start climbing up. But personally for me, it looks so easy, to drop one more time this area. I bet 80%, 90% people ready to buy in here. Just type the comment. Are you ready to buy Bitcoin at 19? Just the logic. Just imagine. Some people bought it here. Pump, made 100%, take a profit, sold all Bitcoin and waiting psychological price 20K. To buy again, to buy back. Another crowd who miss it, buying here and not buying here, they also got a stable coins to buy at 20K. That's why for me personally, it's so easy, and I don't think so we'll hit this target this year. I think we'll drop it down to these levels, maybe in the next bear market. I can be wrong. I can be totally wrong. I think would be logical to liquidate all these guys because you remember, we got a liquidation 1 billion. If we liquidate all these guys, it will be liquidation for 4 billions. So it's going to be pretty wild. So it would be good to see something like this one in autumn. And after that, maybe drop it down or in this area at 724, or drop it down to 30K and move to new all-time high. For example, in the next bear market, collapse it down even lower than 19K and 15K in the next bear market. So it's just my thoughts. That's why here's a 3 liquidity pool. So like a magnet, one is done for Bitcoin. And why I add market smooth? Because look, market come down, a little bit come down here from extreme red color. We come down to the orange zone. That's why we are now in the middle. If we just trade in the sideways sometime, and we will see one more time green zone, yellow, or cold blue, it's going to be pretty bullish signal. On a daily time frame, we came into this blue zone. Last time when we came into this blue zone, it was here at 25 here. 25, we pump it 10%. Here one more time, we pump it 10%. And here last time we pump it from this blue zone, we pump it 27%. So we came in one more time. And if we pump from this current price 27%, it can be around new high 33,200. But it's hard to say, how high we can pump or how low we can drop. But now, like you can see, market come down because of this drop. Let's take a look on Bitcoin Cash. What's going on with this coin? I market this range, like you remember, we still didn't touch 27 zone, 27 level of this local fib, it's 394. So sooner or later, we definitely sweep this liquidity. Just a matter of time. Just to be honest, I don't think so. We'll drop lower than $90. Worst case scenario, I mark it. It's a sweep of a historical low, December 18. It's under $74 for Bitcoin Cash. If we sweep, you can start buying it the best entry point for Bitcoin Cash. Now we made a correction and we touch it 61 level by FIB. Even lowest point was let me check, 164. I mark it. We can touch 50% of this block because it's a weekly gap, and we can drop even to 150. So all correction can be done. For example, if we make a move like this one now and collapse it down to 0.5 level by FIB between 157 148. So this range can be like a good entry point with stop losses if you trade on futures, and like a good entry to buy in Bitcoin Cash for a long run, for example, one more time on a spot. Let's take a look on indicators, what's going on now. Market's mood on a weekly. Like you can see, market calm down. So from extreme red color, one more time, you buying in disbelief, you selling in start selling, or fix some part of your position, depends of your risk management and strategy. You fix some part of your position in extreme red color on a weekly. Or the same story, but on a daily, if you're a swing trader or intraday. And now we came into yellow zone. We need to see maybe one drop to 150, 141. We will see one more time called blue mood on a market, and we can make a recover move. On a daily, we already was in disbelief. Here, disbelief, bounce. So after this disbelief, we bounce 20%. On a spot, it's could be the good entry. So this is how it works on market mode. Trade on. We got a signal to sell, no signal or recommendation close position or something. We got a signal to buy and take profit from buy. Now we got a signal to sell. So now no signal recommendation close position or new signal to buy. New signal to buy maybe it will not appear because this is main one. So this is what about trade on, take profit. Take profit, like you remember this line, buy line, again, it's 133. With a weak candle, we can test it. So 150, it's 50% of a range here, this gap. 141, it's 78 level by FIB, around buy line. So we can test it. Because here we reject at take profit, reject, take profit, reject, take profit. So every single time take profit for a weekly time frame, for intraday, on a daily, it works perfectly well. And let me show you one more time on a daily. Just interesting to see here the buy line now at 155 on a daily. That's why, yes, we cannot see the 141, but anyway, we have a chance to drop 18%. 18% or even 24%, and not in one day, not in one candle. We can see even something like this move, to close this gap on a daily. For example, test 38 level by FIB once again and drop it down by end of September. So we will see how it goes. And also, if you take a look on ADZ on a weekly, I don't think so. We will drop and forming the crazy lower low to forming the incredible, divergency. If we will drop and lose over than 80%, I guess, over than 60%, sorry, sweep a historical lower low, is going to be pretty wild, but now it's good entry was here. June, crazy accumulation. Here, May and June, 2023, crazy accumulation. And here's accumulation. December 18. So we got the same level like accumulation like in December 18. What happened on the history, you remember. Here, you just can compare the accumulation zones. It was about ADZ and the direction. Yes, we can drop one more time, yes, because here was all this time period was accumulation from January 2022 till November 2022. So we was in accumulation stage pump. No signal to buy once again on a weekly, and no signal to sell either. On a daily, it was signal to sell. Here exactly at the top, like you remember, here was a top, zero level. Here, June 2023 was a signal to sell. And we came into the bottom, but no signal to buy or sell. But either no signal to sell. So guys, this is a main target for Bitcoin Cash. Worst case scenario, under 73, positive signal if we will recover after this squeeze and going higher in October, November. So basically we're still forming the bottom. So this range, it can be the bottom for Bitcoin Cash. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what do you think about Bitcoin Cash. Are you already buying or are you waiting lower? And how low you can wait in the Bitcoin Cash? Write please what do you think about Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin especially. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.